Today, I will show you something that can completely change your cucumbers. This natural liquid revives plants that look lost and prolongs the harvest as if the season has just begun. And the best thing is it is made from an ingredient that we all have at home, but almost no one uses in the garden. Have you noticed how summer heat and heavy rains can exhaust cucumbers? The leaves turn yellow, the plant stops blooming, and the fruits become small and lose their taste. Today, we'll reveal to you a recipe that restores strength even to completely tired plants. This top dressing not only nourishes, but also changes the condition of the soil, preserves the roots, and helps cucumbers recover incredibly quickly. Write to me in the comments if you grow cucumbers. Just write yes or no. Tell us your trick that you use in your garden. I love hearing your garden tricks, and maybe your tip will make it into the next video. In this video, it is not about ash, yeast, or bananas. This ingredient is something we all have, but rarely associate with the garden. Just mix it with water, and you get a liquid that literally saves cucumbers. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 5 liters of lukewarm water and mix well. Water the plants with this liquid directly at the roots once every 10–14 days. If the leaves are damaged by moisture or rain, you can also lightly spray the leaves, but always early in the morning or early evening. This simple solution with ordinary baking soda lifts cucumbers from stress and returns them to full strength, extending the harvest and preserving the health of the plant.